Oh, okay. I'm with you.
All right, we seem to be going through mistakes from a general sense, and now we're boiling down more specific. So what's number 6, the 6th biggest mistake that you see these companies making?
Number 6 is really quite detailed. I can't get too detailed on it because every restoration company, every insurance company handles it a little bit differently. But let's talk about paperwork. I don't care what kind of business you are. You can always do a little bit better job on your paperwork. But if you don't have a clear-cut system on this is the paperwork that I need for every job, you're really shooting yourself in the foot. You're going to open your restoration company up to liabilities, lawsuits. There's just a lot of very negative things. Another side of it is there's some insurance programs out there that if you can't provide the paperwork that proves that the drying was complete and done and stuff, they won't pay you. So let's talk about some of the things paperwork is required. One of the big ones right off the bat that I think is abused, when you walk up to that door the first time with the customers, it's kind of an uncomfortable situation to walk in there with a file saying we need to go through some paperwork before you get all the work done. But it's necessary. You need an authorization to do the work right off the bat. If you don't have that authorization to do the work, quite honestly, they could come back to the insurance company and say, don't pay them. We didn't authorize them to take care of everything. Now, is it always necessary? Do they always require it? No, but it should always be in the file. Then there's always the measurements for humidity and your temperature readings and all that stuff. You need to have great details about that. There's a lot of restoration companies. Here again, if you're IICRC certified, you already know what you have to do minimum. And quite frankly, I don't do the minimum on anything. Paperwork is critical. Other things we have is authorization of satisfied work. We track all our labor in great detail. We track the equipment. We track the hour of, for example, if we're using a truck mount extraction device, we'll track the exact hours per job. That way we know how many hours that they were on the job or that machine was running on the job. Those sort of details are, number one, going to help you bill things better. They're going to have you be able to draw a better picture for the insurance company or the customer, whoever's paying for that job, and they're going to make your life a lot easier. I've never gotten in trouble for having too much paperwork. I've gotten in trouble before because I didn't have the right signed authorization or I didn't have the right little piece of detail to make sure that we're doing quality work. So it's once again a simple system, pretty easy to break down. You just need to take the time to do it the right way. How long was that one?
Short.